how to use TradingView charts inside BingX. Hi everyone, welcome back to Trading for Beginners. Today in this video, we are going to learn how you can easily switch to TradingView charts directly inside the BingX application using your smartphone. First things first, open the BingX application on your smartphone and log into your account. Once you're inside the home page, go ahead and tap on the Markets tab from the bottom of the screen. Now choose any trading pair you want to customize. I've just opened up this BTC/USDT trading pair. From here, tap on the gear button right next to depth at the top right, and this will open up chart settings. Click on Interface from the menu. Inside the Chart Settings interface, look for Chart Mode and tap on TradingView right next to it. Soon after you select TradingView, you will be able to change or use TradingView charts inside BingX. Once you're inside TradingView, you'll see powerful features like drawing tools, technical indicators, multiple time frames, candle patterns, more detailed chart settings. All right inside BingX, no extra apps needed. So there you have it. That is how you can easily use the TradingView charts in BingX application. It is super easy, powerful, and perfect for beginners who want cleaner, more advanced chart analysis without leaving the app. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Stay tuned and see you again.